Good morning, mamas, and welcome to my channel. Today I just want to do a little home at spa ideas. One review that I want to do, and I just want to say happy belated Mother's Day. That you all mamas are doing a wonderful, amazing job. Being a mom is one of the hardest jobs in the world, and I just want to give you guys one idea of how you can do a spa at home while you're sleeping, actually. So yeah, you're taking them out. They're called Feetox. So it's a 2-in-1 foot pads. And all you do is, I'll be showing you guys how to put them on the bottom of your feet, and you sleep at night and then you wake up in the morning and just take them off. So it's like a little spa on your feet while you're sleeping. It includes lavender, mint, rose, green tea, ginger. And the benefits of these pads is aids in relaxation and reduces stress, releases harmful toxins from the body, increases the metabolic activity, increases energy levels, reduces fatigue, pain relief, and helps reduce inflammation, aids in weight loss, improves digestion, cleanse, and rejuvenates the skin. So it's like an awesome little spa for your feet, and you literally, you know, because as moms we don't have time or the energy sometimes just to do a spa at home and do something nice for ourselves. Like you see, this guy is doing a video with me today because he just won't let mama have some little time by herself. So yeah, there's actually lots of benefits to these Feetox 2-in-1 foot pads. I order them on Amazon, and I will link the description down below, and I will show you guys by the colors. Let's see what yellow is. I think yellow is ginger. So I've tried these before and I really like them. They feel kind of like heat pads a little bit. In the morning when I woke up to take them off, I felt a little bit of heat. So if you've never tried heat pads, just a little. But overall it did feel really nice and rejuvenating on my feet. Feeling very refreshed. So here's my foot. We are gonna open this up, and there are 2 pads for each foot. There's little strips that you take off. And here, you could put it probably straight if you want. Or you could put it horizontally or vertically, however you want. So I'm gonna put it, make sure your foot is clean. And there. So you could do it during the day, but they do recommend to do it at night, you know, because you're not stepping on it, it won't be uncomfortable, you're just sleeping, and you wake up and your feet just feel refreshed, rejuvenated. And I hope you guys like this video and try it out. I think it's awesome for a busy mom who's on your feet all day and with little kiddos that do not let me rest. And I haven't posted a video in a month because we've moved to a house. We did some remodeling, then we went for a week of missionary trip. So it's been a very crazy month. So I don't know how often I'm gonna be posting. I'm trying to get back into doing videos, and hopefully I can get back on a schedule and post regularly. Thanks, bye, see you till next time.